In this video, I will be giving detailed instructions on how to set up a weaving peg loom so you can weave a rug. Peg looms are my favorite kind of weaving. The rugs that come from them can be woven with so many different kinds of fabrics. They're very versatile, super easy, and your finished product always ends up being very lofty and soft, yet you can compact it very tightly so that it wears well and does well where you need it. I hope you enjoy following along as I show you every single step along the way.
To our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. All those years past, now I know you. How the times can change and I get a little down. Thinking about tomorrow, I get down. Was it over from the get-go? Should we call it quits and let go? I have cried many times over you. Sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. Maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down, I get to thinking I don't even know why I tried. Is it just me? Do you feel the the same? Were you up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way? Or should we stay, try to make things right? Cause I get a little down, thinking about tomorrow. I get down. Should we call it quits and let go? I have cried many times over you, sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. And maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down I get to thinking I don't even know why, even though I tried. Yeah, I don't know why I tried. Yeah, I don't even know why. Yeah, I don't know why I tried. We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. I have cried many times over you, sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. And maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down I